Howdy everyone. In the last video, we render our data in our admin dashboard. In this video, we will insert data using our dashboard. So let's create a new page. Create .blade.php. Let's take this one because it's same. Just we need a new component. Let's do it create a student. Let's create a component. Create .blade.php. Let's first check it's working or not by this heading. To do that, we need to define our route and return this view. Create our method name is student create and URL name also. Let's define this method into our new controller, admin student controller. Copy student create. Here we will return view admin.create, and we don't need to any data return. So let's comment this. Okay, let's go to the browser, student.create /create. I'm from create. I have already made this HTML markup, so I'm taking it to reduce time. So let's understand this. It's a very simple HTML markup. There is heading create, and this is our form CSRF token. This is student details. Here will be our main form. This is a bootstrap form. I am using bootstrap here. Now need to define our action. We define this controller and also route in previous video in the backend section. This route student.store. Let's use this. Route student.store. So now when we submit this form, it will go to this URL, this route. Student details, name, input field. We'll do the same for all our input field. This is for error. Now do the same for our all input field. Let's check first it's working or not. Yes, it's coming. Start create button, cancel button, everything. Do the same. So I am copying and changing the input field name. This is our all input field. Next one is phone number. Let's change all. Phone. I'm doing this by pressing alter. You can do this. Same. Here is rule. Need to change for all. Name, phone, rule done. And next one is our address. And this field is number. This is for address. Okay, we set our input field. Now we need to use user id. This user id we will use as hidden because we need user id. We make relationship with this table and user table. This is type is hidden, and to do this you must log in to your breeze. If you don't log in, this will not work, so make sure you are logged in. Here is the value auth user id. Okay, we almost done. String name, phone, rule, address. Okay, submit button also. Okay, let's check, refresh. Yes, our all the field has arrived. Now fill up, and this is a number field, so let's change this. That's why the text was not coming. Let's try create. Let's see our data has created from this front end. We successfully created it. This is our data in the database. Now we need to return. After creating this data, we need to return to the dashboard. Let's see, after creating we are sharing this message because we return JSON data in the backend, so we need to return to the dashboard. So let's go. This is our main controller and this is route. From here we just need to remove this response, JSON response. We will redirect to our desired URL. What is our URL? Student index. Yes, let's do this. and let's go try, refresh. Here is the error. Maybe I missed the semicolon, expecting semicolon. So let's is here. Let's try. Let's see. It's coming here. Let's check again. Yes, after creating data, it's redirecting here. So we successfully insert our data and also redirect to our dashboard page, student page. Thank you for watching.